Simple Effects Sunday evening. This is your week ahead review. I'm going to try this new way of doing things for you, so you guys can read and repeat, and you've got it there for the rest of the week to keep going back and looking at. So let's try this format. In case you haven't noticed or seen, this is our website, guys. For those new to Simple Effects, you can click on here and it tells you when the next seminars are. We have one on Friday, so if you fancy jumping on that or just coming along to refresh, feel free to do so. Okay, so let's get stuck into your week ahead. I'm not sure how long this records for, so let's get stuck in. Okay, so winners and losers, shakers and movers. So the pound was the biggest mover this week, over 150 points. The euro, 100 points. The Aussie would have been 150 points, but fell back down. And look at the Canadian dollar, absolutely smashed the dollar this week. It's interesting actually because I did really felt that the CAD might have lost some ground to the dollar on Friday. Thought it might have pulled back, but looking at things, the CAD strength is it's likely to continue. The last 4 economic releases have been better than expected, and oil prices have been up every day last week. So I'm not very hopeful for the dollar on this one. Okay, so let's pull up a chart. Have a quick look at this. There you go. Okay, this is a weekly chart. You can see here that the dollar is significantly lower versus the Canadian dollar. If we pull in slightly, you can see this big drop here. Now we are at fairly low lows here, so one would have expected that to pull back a little bit. If I just take you back to a daily chart and see how oversold we are there, that's quite a bit of an indicator that we'll pull back, but what can I tell you, same there, I'm not so sure it will, but we shall see this week. Moving on now to the euro. Yeah, the euro is also making some significant ground versus the dollar. The dollar not having a good time of it at the moment. Let's have a look. As you can see here, again, all last week it lost out to all the other pairs. Okay, what can I tell you? Let's bring to you the economic calendar. Monday. This is definitely new to the calendar. This wasn't there last week. Inflation report hearing. That'll be interesting. And we've got some CPI in for the euro. We'll trade that. If you want to get up, it's an early start, 5 o'clock. We'll get up and trade this for the RBA and the Aussie. A decent morning's trading here. Some GDP, and again we've got some PMI and ISM for the dollar on Tuesday. Wednesday, I think it'll be a bit of a hangover, so I'm not sure how much movement there'll be in that. Thursday, packed, absolute screamer of a day. They're calling it Super Thursday, and we'll be all over that. And again, Friday, what we got here, the usual, it's the biggie, non-farm payrolls. We shall be on that. So, just looking at the trading room, pull that across here. Events, pretty packed week, guys. We'll have a bit of that all day long. So, my trade call this week, it's simple. I'm going to sell the dollar. I'm going to sell it versus the Canadian dollar. I'm going to sell it versus the yen. Buy it versus the euro. You're all there already, look. I'm going to buy it versus the euro. Buy the euro, buy the pound, buy the Aussie, buy the Kiwi, all versus the dollar. So my trade call this week is sell dollar. I hope you like this new format. I'm sorry it's a little bit rushed. I'm not sure how much time it allows me to record. I'll post this in the room to you all now. You can have a little look at it and let me know what you think. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this format, and I'll speak to you all a little bit later on. Have a great night. Bye-bye.